Welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at formatting a chart. And in this video, I'm responding to one of the questions that were asked following my video on designing and formatting a chart. I was asked that if you are given data which shows budget and actual, and there is a variance here, we want to plot the variance against the year, which is here, and we want the positive values in one color, to be in one color. In this case, they are blue, and the negatives to be in another color, so that someone reading the graph can easily see and know that these are positive variances, the blue ones, and these are negative variances. So that's what I was asked. And by the way, if you have any questions on any topic in Excel, you can always send them through, then leave them in the comments. I'll look at them and consider them. So for this is what we're going to look at today. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to see more videos like this one. So let's get started. So our data is here. Let me copy over the years. So this is my data. I can expand it for clear view. So it has the year, it has the budget of the expense, it has the actual expense, and it has a variance which is simply the C3 minus D3, budget minus actual. So positive variance means that our spending was below budget, and negative variance means that our actual spending was above budget. So this is what we have when we want to plot year against variance. So we can come here, select the year, Control hold down, select the variance, go under insert, we want a chart, like so. So this is our chart, but it has two series, years and variance. We're not interested in the year. So I click on the year, remove it. And here we have 1, 2, 3, but our data is actually years. So to bring the years here, I have to right click, come here, edit, and go to my data and select the years. So let me first put it on the side. So select data, edit, I want to show years, which are those, like so. There you go. So I have my graph here, and by default, when you do that, it gives the same color. So what we want is that the positive variances, the ones which are above 0, are in one color, and the negative variances are in another color. So we click on the series. It brings this dialog here. You come here and run down and see fill. Under fill, we have invert if negative. So we are saying the fill should change if the color, if the value is negative. Click this one. There you go. The moment you do that, you see what happens here. The negatives change. So we are going to come down here under color. The first, we're going to change this color to blue. This is for the positives. Then it brings another fill here, inverted fill. If you hover over it, you see inverted fill color. This one, we are changing it to red. So this way, we are able to change the positive variances to one color and the negative variances to the red color. That's the question I was asked, and this is the response, and that is it that I have for you today. Please subscribe if you want more videos like this. If you have more questions for me, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll look at them. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.